Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kom si benta ban penpa partai yaki sap ki phong jong ki Khynnah ka Skul Christian Academy High Secondary School Shillong ka bolong ka wei ni ki skol ka bapaw hakani kanong ba Shillong man laos nam ka juperlong ru ya karansan ka bakarpang na ka benta ki Khynnah jong ni ka skol knang banalor ka puli puthi kinyo la ru ban peni ya ka sap ka phong jong ki baki don haki jila kai ba peroper haloransan mentaus nam ru lapalong yekani karansan hakakan reu berkatnyo terek mentau benai risau arjakat pra hakani karansan ke balapalong hapo sosotham auditorium Shillong ki Khynnah jongani ka skol nadu ki badang puli haki kelas baren hadu ki bala khamhe ru kumjo gilapan pawi la ki sap ki phongjong ki haki bobon ki benta nadu ki jing Rwai ki jing shat bat ki wede ki jing lakai haloransan ki bala Pynbyrngia sikat dei ki Kmie ki pa bat ki bahyang hasam jongani ki Khynnah ya ka wei na ki drama haki surgeon Rwai balapan i daki Khynnah skol lai shementa daki Khynnah kan thai bat chenrang ki balapan khre bahai la de ban pan i ya kasap ka bakidon
Sea el nombre de mi Cristo, el Rey de Reyes y Salvador. Con tus manos en el aire levantas tu voz y canta aleluya al nombre de Dios. Él es digno de toda la honra y gloria, y en su nombre que tengo victoria. Alabado, ensalzado, glorificado, está siempre a mi lado.
amado por siempre. Mar para el cielo, tu gloria lleno de fuego.
Contigo de toda la gloria y por siempre yo te amo.
Alabado sea el nombre de mi Señor. Alabaré por siempre, alabaré por siempre. Levante tus manos y canta gloria al Señor. A mi Señor.
Que todas las naciones canten adoraciones, latinoamericano, árabe, africano, alaba con tus pies, alaba con tus manos, alaba en canción con tu baile y el piano, que suenen las trompetas, que suenen los tambores, para el Rey de Reyes y Señor de señores, te doy toda la honra, te doy toda la gloria, a mi Cristo, quien vive por siempre
Alabanzas a mi Salvador por siempre. Para el cielo, tu gloria lleno de fuego.
Contigo de toda la gloria y por siempre yo te amo.
Por siempre, alabado sea el nombre de mi Señor. Nampak snow tall, dojing ayay, namte pala, siya pang ublay, tangkawe imay, iong kinmao, ublay jong nga, ulong bakraw, uyad halor kaduriaw, upin kyaki ibabang, upin imyula saras, mautep upliringhang, eryong kakunguyaw, paduriaw kalong jay-jay, padbababun batngan, sana jarub sa kerhay, amdun grabang lapatu, tangkaningan kenmau, ublay jonga, ulong bakla, ngamtip syano, ulam yanga, ngamtip ayu, un penlong yanga, Henry ladaya, isim inuyada, ngam kam kudurmo, shisha manga, uyad halur kaduriaw, upin kyaki ibabang, upin imyula saras, mautep upliringhang, eryong kakunguyaw, paduriaw kalong jay-jay, padbababun batngan, sana jarub sa kerhay, amdun kabang labatu, tangkaningan kenmau, ublay jonga, ulong bakra.
May I know your name, my beautiful maiden?
My name is Esther.
I present to you Queen Esther.
pledged to take his knee. I will be strong and I will be brave, standing for him as I take my place. I felt the spirit her truth in my heart. It's in my heart. I will stand, I will not fall in a world that's weak. I will be strong. I'll be true, I will choose this way, and I know what's right, and I will not change. In a world where so many will not, I will. I may be one, but one becomes two when you stand with me, and I stand with you as we unite. Our cause is great. We're not just a candle, but we are the flame. I will take the light he gives me, and I'll hold it up high. I'll hold it up high. I will stand, I will not fall in a world that's weak. I will be strong, and I'll be true. I will choose this way, and I know what's right, and I will not change. In a world where so many will not, I will.
Haman's hatred for the Jews grew, as did his hatred for Mordecai. So he devised an evil plan.
My king, royal members of this court, the Jews are disloyal to thy bidding and to the decree of this court. They bow down only to their God, an unseen and unproven God. What is it you would have done? If it pleases your majesty, let it be written that all Jews be destroyed.
The king knew not that his new queen Esther was a Jew, and signed and sealed the decree to destroy, to kill, and to cause to perish all the Jews, both young and old, little children and women, and to take the spoil of them for a prey. After Mordecai read the decree and perceived all that was done, he rent his clothes and dressed in sackcloth and mourned with all the Jews.
A man, he's in mourning. He sounds so sad. Perhaps he's lost something or someone. He must be a Jew. He's dressed as a Hebrew.
Esther, my child, and evil abound in the king's court. Haman has won the king's heart and has offered a sum of money for the king's treasures to destroy the Jews. A decree was given at Shushan to destroy us. For the good of thy father's house, I charge you to go unto the king and make supplication unto him for your people.
Mordecai, do you realize the weight of your request? All the king's servants and the people of the king's provinces do know that whosoever shall go into the king, into the inner court, they'll be put to death, except such to whom the king holds up his golden scepter. I have not been called to come into the king these 30 days.
Esther, if then all together you hold your peace and remain silent at this time, then shall you and your father's house be destroyed.
Is that all?
And also, who knowest that you have come to the kingdom for such a time as this?
Take me to the king. I don't have much to bring. My heart is torn in pieces. It's my offering. Take me to the king. Through this I'm tired. Options are few. I'm trying to pray. Oh, where are you? I'm all churched out, hurt and abused. I can't fake what's left to do. Through this I'm weak, no strength to fight, no tears to cry, even if I try.
My king, did you summon the queen?
I did not.
Guards!
Esther, my queen, what is your petition? Ask, and shall be granted. Whatever you request, even up to half my kingdom, I shall give it to you.
If it pleases your majesty, grant me my life and spare my people, for this is my request.
Esther, my love, you make a strange petition.
Who has threatened your life?
A great enemy, your majesty, Lord Haman.
Haman? But your majesty, I don't understand. I will never harm the queen.
Lord Haman speaks falsely, your majesty, for he has ordered for the destruction of the Jews.
Your majesty, may I ask, what has this matter got to do with the other?
Only that the Jews are my people. I am a Jew. If they are found to be traitors, let me be guilty as well.
Your majesty, perhaps the queen is not well. Please have mercy.